Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? Today, we're going to do an update on the Charlie Mack build.
Oh, okay. Let's do it.
So, here's what I got so far.
See, you got the intro.
Looking good. Yeah, thanks, but that's not what we're talking about. And you only like it because your name was on it.
I didn't say I like it.
Oh, so you don't like it? I don't like it.
That's okay, because I can take
I love it.
Oh, okay.
Wait, you can take what?
Never mind that. Let's just talk about the interior.
So I put the carpet down.
Take me off.
Yep, I used charcoal gray for the carpet. And then I got the ivory white.
Oh, yeah, that looked real good together.
With the classic white accents or whatever you would call it.
Accents?
I guess. And I don't know if you can tell, but that photo etch at the top.
Oh, yeah.
The red part, it says RT, R/T. I don't know if you can pick that out. But anyway, that came out pretty cool.
Yeah, simple, but cool.
Next up, we got the dashboard.
Okay, the dash.
I got to redo it.
Oh, man.
Because I had it all painted up, and I was putting the chrome trim on it. But the Molotov chrome pen decided that I needed a little bit more chrome than I actually needed. So I had to strip all that paint off.
That's too bad.
Do that over.
Next
I got the hood, but let me explain. This was the hood to the Charger. It was a shaker hood, but I cut a little off the back because it was having a hard time opening up. I thought it was the back sticking, but it was actually the hinges, anyway. So I did cut it off, and as you can see, it's a gap in between the cowl and the hood. So I had to get this hood, which was I think it was an extra hood in the Charger. I'm not sure, but it didn't have a hole in it. I had cut the hole in it, and I'm gonna use this, which is cool, a little bit more custom work. It will have hood pins.
Yeah.
But wait, can you please explain what is up with this hood? I mean, look at it. Well, the hood is green.
Okay.
And I was gonna go with green, but after I destroyed it, I said, black might look good.
Right.
So I went ahead and used some black bare metal foil just to put over it, just to see.
Oh, so this ain't
supposed to look good.
No,
it was just no, just to see how it would look with the black hood.
I
okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Cause see, I would have
Next.
Okay.
Sorry, it's just a habit.
So then I got the grill finished.
Nice.
I got it black washed and everything.
I got the
RT
headlights blacked out.
Yeah,
They look real good, and it's wired, so obviously they come on.
What?
Oh, really?
So you use that resin stuff, huh?
Yeah, that resin stuff. So when did you do that?
I mean, I don't see how that's important, but
if you must know, it was last time I was at home.
Let's go back to
1995. Oh, no. I meant last month.
How did you? Never mind.
Anyway, so here's the little light that I'm using for the headlight. It's very tiny.
Wow, very tiny.
And that's my mother's hot glue gun.
Why would you say that?
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
So now that we got it glued in,
okay,
we're gonna test it out, make sure that it works.
I
probably should have did this in the first place.
Probably should have tested it out before you started.
Anyway, it works. It do work. And I got the grill all taped up, ready for the resin. Let's see this. Here's the resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio.
Oh, yeah, I don't do math.
Surprising. Anyway, this resin is kind of old. So as you can see, the second part, I'm having problems getting it out.
That's what she.
Nope. Don't be cutting my jokes off. Anyway, I don't even know why I'm filming this.
Sure you do.
You're filming it for the There it go. Yeah, I'm just gonna
speed through this.
Yeah, let's go. So I'll put the dye in. I mixed it up.
The mix.
I got a syringe. Put it in the lights.
I put it in my vacuum chamber.
Then after it cured, voila.
Hey, I was supposed to say that.
Oh, my bad. Go ahead and say it. Wait a minute. Never mind. Next, we just got some mag wheels.
Okay.
I painted the spokes like I think it's Vallejo gunmetal, or
are you sure?
Steel or some kind of metal Vallejo got. That was very informative.
Yeah.
And I got some photo etch disc brakes. I got in the back of the wheels. Aftermarket, of course.
Yeah, obviously.
And then next up, I got the tail lights.
I'm supposed to say next. Yeah, well, you taking too
next. I was just gonna recast this in clear resin, and then I thought about it.
What you think?
I don't cast stuff.
You really don't.
So yeah, I just sharpied the tail lights red.
Okay.
And I drilled a little bitty hole in the center of where the lights are.
Jeez.
And I'm just gonna put one of those
That's
little
cheap.
micro LEDs in there, and that'll light up the whole area.
I thought you was
Give
better
it
than
kinda
that.
like an illusion that, you know, the taillights work.
Shaking my
You know
head.
what I'm saying? I mean, I could let you cast it since
Huh?
you know how to do it.
Oh, no.
You did a great job.
Oh,
It looks really good.
Alright.
But anyway, I'll probably blackwash the center a little bit more so that it'll match the grill.
I mean, I think it's perfect.
Oh, yeah.
But if you think it needs something else,
I mean, anyway.
ooh, next.
So underneath is just plain Jane.
Nice.
You know, I didn't do anything special.
Okay.
I'm thinking about maybe weather in the bottom.
you probably
make
don't
it look
want
like a
that.
daily driven car. I don't know.
Nah, don't do that.
Next, I don't know. So last but not least, I got the glass.
Okay.
I went ahead and dyed it with the iPoly green.
That look good.
Give it that
Yeah.
that look of realness.
You did it to that
Yeah, the Monte Carlo.
Yeah,
I did
Monte
it.
Carlo.
Did it to them. I made a video on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Was I in it?
I don't know. It's called Cooking with Gerald.
I kind of
Yeah, I'll
remember
put the
that.
link in the description so you can check it out.
Okay. I appreciate that.
No problem, buddy. Yeah, that was kind of corny. Yeah,
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
yeah. Let's not do
Yeah.
that again.
Yeah,
I apologize. I'm sorry. Yeah, we're both sorry. So that brings us to the end.
Peace.
And as always, you didn't even say nothing.